Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video I will be talking about the beautiful widgets which you can set if you have an Amazfit watch to get all the information about the watch. And this will be a sick video guys, as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I bring this type of videos every now and then. So first of all, the widgets looks fantastic, as you can see, and it looks really great. You can get all the information regarding your Amazfit watch. I am having the Amazfit GTS 2 mini here, and you can see the widgets is giving me the information regarding the battery, regarding the heart rate, regarding the step count, regarding the calories, regarding the sleep, regarding all the important information which I need while I am using an Amazfit watch. And also, if you get these widgets, you will be always notified that how much battery is in there in the watch. So when you will be charging your watch, you don't need to go to the watch and see what is the battery left in the watch or how much charge has been completed for the watch. You can get the update from here only if you have the widget on your phone, which is really amazing. So I can set the widgets at my own wish. You can see there's a tile widget, and also there are these circular big widgets which you can set, which looks absolutely amazing according to me. And you can get this widget very easily if you have an Amazfit watch. Just you need to download the Notify app which is in the Play Store. This is the Notify app, and all the widgets will be accessible for you, and you can just click on any empty area in the home screen and go to widget, and you will get these widgets which are there for the Notify for Amazfit app. And you can see if I put a widget like this, it will be first in small size. You can resize the widgets to make it larger, to make it smaller. It depends on how you want to see this widget on your home screen. And the good thing is, if you tap on this widget, it will refresh automatically. So if I tap on the heart rate, you can see it will refresh. It is refreshing right now, and it will give me the current heart rate which is this watch measuring for me instantly after the refresh has been happened. So you don't need to open the Notify app or Zap app or any other app to see what is the heart rate, what is the calorie you have burned during the workout. Just tap on any of the widgets and you will get the information instantly, which is really great. Another thing which is really good about this widget is you can set this type of workout widgets which will start workout instantly. I have set a walking workout widget here. So if I tap on this, you can see it will show me workout is running. That means the workout has been started for my Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch, and it is tracking my every single details which are there for this workout. So when I will be walking, it will be tracking the details like heart rate, like how much calorie I am burning, and it will show me in the Notify app which is there. And you can see it will show you like this workout is running. So if you tap on this, you will see that the workout has already been started, and it is tracking my every movement. You can start a music also if you want. If you click here, it will give a pop-up which music service you want to use. So you can start a music if you want. At the same time, it is tracking everything, and there are other options also which you can play with in the Notify app for the workout modes. So it will not track the workout by the phone. It will track the workout only if you are wearing the watch, and then sync the data as per the workout requirements, like how many steps and everything. It will be synced for the particular amount of time you have done the workout. So that is the thing you need to keep in mind. You cannot get this phone only and go for a workout. You need to wear the watch and also get your phone connected with the watch. Then only the workout mode will work on this Notify app, which is absolutely great. And you can see the workout details in this big screen when you will be doing the workout. So that is really amazing. And if you want to stop the workout, you just need to pull this stop button, and it will definitely stop the workout from here. So one-click workout modes are available for Amazfit watches. If you have the Notify app installed, Just click on the widgets, start the workout, and you can select any or most of the workouts which are available for the Amazfit watches from here. Also, there are important widgets like toggling silence mode and also the shower mode, which is really great. So it will disable the lift to wake up feature in this watch and will help you to take shower without any worries if you enable the shower mode from here. So the widgets looks absolutely amazing, and I like the widgets of the Notify app. That's why I thought of mentioning those in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day.